Effective tips to beat insomnia naturally. Limit stimulants. Avoid consuming stimulants such as caffeine, nicotine, and heavy meals close to bedtime. These substances can interfere with your ability to fall asleep by overstimulating your nervous system. Caffeine, found in coffee, tea, and chocolate, can disrupt sleep patterns for hours after consumption. Nicotine is also a stimulant that can cause restlessness. It's best to limit these substances in the afternoon and evening to reduce the chances of insomnia. Keep a bedtime routine. A calming bedtime routine can signal to your brain that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. Activities like reading, taking a warm bath, or listening to soothing music can help relax your mind and body. A regular pre-sleep routine reduces anxiety about sleep, making it easier to fall asleep naturally. Engaging in consistent and calming activities each night helps signal your body that it's time for rest. This type of routine can be particularly effective for people with insomnia. Practice relaxation techniques. Incorporating relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, or progressive muscle relaxation can significantly improve sleep quality. These methods help calm your mind and prepare your body for rest. Taking time before bed to unwind and relieve stress can make it easier to fall asleep. Engaging in mindfulness practices also reduces anxiety, a common cause of insomnia. Such activities help signal to your body that it's time to sleep. Exercise regularly. Engaging in regular physical activity can improve sleep quality and help prevent insomnia. Exercise promotes relaxation and reduces anxiety, both of which contribute to better sleep. However, avoid intense physical activity too close to bedtime, as it may make it harder to fall asleep. Moderate exercise, such as walking or yoga, earlier in the day, can enhance sleep without overstimulating the body. A healthy exercise routine also helps regulate your body's internal clock. Manage stress and anxiety. Chronic stress and anxiety are significant contributors to insomnia. Learning to manage stress through techniques such as journaling, talking with a therapist, or practicing mindfulness can prevent sleepless nights. Keeping a stress journal can help you work through worries before bedtime, preventing racing thoughts. Identifying and addressing sources of anxiety during the day allows you to relax more effectively at night.